So, when I get involved into some affiliate marketing, I don't blame you. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online. And today we're going to see if Wealthy Affiliate is a website good for it. Now, the main thing about affiliate marketing is that it is suited for beginners. You don't have to have your own products, you don't have to have your own company. Basically, you're just selling other people's products and you get a commission for it. But there are a lot of these websites out there. So, besides Wealthy Affiliate, there's Digistore24. You can affiliate for Amazon as well. There's like a lot more. But Wealthy Affiliate, I have found, and some of the people asked me to make like a review from this website so we can see if there is any profit on this website and how the website is overall. Now, I gotta tell you that this is not like the best out there, like they're just starting out, but they have some good features. First of all, their Trustpilot rating is really good. 4.9 is always good. And then what I really liked about this website is that you can build websites, okay? So you don't have to like learn to code, you don't have to learn those programming languages, you don't have to do nothing of that sort. It's like WordPress, you will just drag and drop certain tools on the website and you can create your own website, which is going to help you to sell more, right? They say that the process takes less than 30 seconds to build a beautiful looking mobile and revenue ready website. So we're going to test that out and we're going to see if the website is good after all. And we're going to check what offers they have. We're going to check how many members they have and what are the commissions. Because let's face it, commissions are what we're here for. Now, before we go and sign up, I want to show you that SimilarWeb is not that good. So it has 500,000 people on a monthly basis only. But maybe that isn't a big deal after all. So when you come on the website, you have this button, of course, create your free account. Just complete this simple information about yourself and we're ready. Of course, it's going to work all around the world. And when you log in inside of this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, so this is the tip. Now, what I really liked about the website is that they have like top 10 training modules, but you have to pay for these, okay? And these are like not cheap at all. Just take a look at this. If you take this like premium one, you'll have to pay $41 per month. And this is something that I don't like right from the bat, okay? Because they're forcing you to like pay some money in order to like get certain training. I mean, you don't need much training for affiliate marketing, you just have to lead the traffic to the products, and you're going to get the commission. So it's all up to you. If you invest your time and energy into just researching and see what's what and see how it's done, you can get a lot of traffic because attention is all we need. We just need to grab people's attention and to make them click on our links. You don't need training for that. After all, that's the world that we live in. It's attention-based economy. The more attention someone grabs, well, the more products he or she or it is gonna sell, right? So it's not that complicated. You don't need any like trainers to like teach you that. So this is not what we're looking for. So let's go back and see how and what can we actually sell here. Now in here, I don't see anything that is gonna teach me or just bring me some affiliate like products. If I click here on promote, that is when usually the links are going to be. Well, they tell me that I've got to buy these plans. So you have like annual and monthly, and this is not something that I really like. I mean, everything is locked behind a paywall. So actually, it is pay to play, Wealthy Affiliate. It's just pay to play. I don't think that this is a good website for beginners. So let's actually see my referrals, program details maybe. No, nothing of that sort. You only got like referring people to Wealthy Affiliate, and these are like the rates that you're gonna get, but nowhere do I see where can we get the offers from Wealthy Affiliate. So I don't know what you guys have told me in the comments, but this website is just pay to play. Okay, so it's not like something that complete beginner can do, right? So to conclude, Wealthy Affiliate is not one of those things. But let me show you what is. I already got something. We've mentioned Digistore24, of course, but there is this one, which is really good. I've made a video about it. You can just find it on my channel. This one is really good. It is called Share a Sale. This one has been voted the best CPS network of all time. They are a part of this network, which is like called a win, and it is recognized as #1 best cost per sale network in North America. So that's really something. They have a lot of traffic. They have like 7 million a month. month, and they have some really good partners. So if you scroll down, you will eventually find Reebok, you will find US Polo, you will find a lot of these like popular ones, and the commissions here are really good, okay? There's like 7% for Reebok, which is really nice, because as you can see, for Reebok, commissions are 7%, but the average sale is like $80. So it is a good money. If you take $80, you multiply that by 7%, that's going to be $5.6 per sale. So you maybe need like 5 of these per day and you make yourself like 30 bucks. But okay, so we can make money, but how can we approach this if we are a complete beginners? Well, first of all, choose a strategy. Choose the social media platform. First of all, you have to grab attention somehow. There is a way in which you can just partner up with already existing influencers or some theme pages, and you can pay some money to them in order to promote your product. But that is not the beginner-friendly way. What I can recommend you to do is that you go over, for example, to Instagram, and then you will find a certain web page which is in your niche. I'm going to show you like fitness niche or weight loss niche for this example. And this page, for example, has like 400,000 followers. But what can we do with this? Well, we can model this website. We can model this. We can take like these pictures. We can take the model and we can replicate their success. Okay, so we can just make theme page on Instagram, which is around weight loss. And trust me, the most important thing on this one is this number. Okay, so the number of posts. Okay, the more posts you put out per day, the more attention and the more followers you are going to get. So it comes down to dedication. It comes down to consistency. It comes down to how much you want this to work out. Okay, so it just comes to your patience, to your hard work, if you want to get something like this. And then later, it's going to be easy to sell, okay? When you have such a following, when you have a large audience, it is easy to sell whatever you want, okay? You can put, I don't know, a loaf of bread on your channel, put affiliate link on it, you are going to sell that loaf of bread because you have audience. Remember what I told you, attention-based economy. So if you want to make something like this, make a lot of posts, and then you can see you will just put the links like this. Or even on each one of these posts, you can put affiliate link. For example, you click on something in this description window on the right, you are going to have your affiliate links, and that's what it is. So how can you create a lot of these posts if you don't know how to, I don't know, work in Photoshop, if you don't want to download things from the internet? Well, you can use this tool, which is free for all. Everyone can take Canva.com account. And just take a look at this. They've got a lot of templates. So you click on social media, you have Instagram here, and you're going to get a lot of these templates. Some of these aren't for free, but a lot of them are for free. If you scroll down, you will find a lot of these. And of course, if you head over to templates, you can actually choose the category in which you want these to be. Okay, so you just go to filters, and on the left-hand side here, you have theme, You just click on fitness here. You can see there's like 8,000 of these. So just try to imagine how many templates you've got. So just take a look at all of these. Now, these with a crown next to them, well, you have to pay for these. But these, for example, without a crown, they are free for everyone. So just avoid these with a crown and these with a dollar sign. You can see this template contains paid elements. So just choose these which are for free. Now, the easiest thing to do this is to just head over into template, see what's what, see if you like it, click on customize this template, and of course you don't have to download anything. This is all happening in your browser, whichever one it is, and then you can just edit this template out. So you can change the text, you can change the fonts, colors, pictures even, you can just move this around, and then you just have to create the content. Now, I've told you, just replicate what other people are doing. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. There's already someone who is doing this successfully. Go and model that person. You've got numerous accounts on Instagram. You've got numerous accounts on TikTok. You can even create the videos if you want. And all of these templates can be edited out in whichever way you want, okay? You just put some basic information. So, for example, how to lose weight. Even a fool knows that nowadays. So, I don't know. Eat less, count your calories, go work out, you can do something like that. Just write that in these posts that Canva gives you and just make like 4 at least per day. Just make 4 posts per day on your Instagram theme page. And eventually, if you are patient and dedicated, you will get a lot of followers, okay? And then after that, you can use any of the affiliate offers that you can find. Digistore, Amazon, I don't know, whatever you want. Just get that audience. Now, I'm not telling you that it is going to be easy because it's not. You'll have to be dedicated. You'll have to be consistent. And that's all that it's going to take. All right. Now, if you want to do this, just take that action. I'll catch you.